Hello guys, and welcome back to Newton Effects YouTube channel, and we finally here at episode 10. Guys, I've been away for a while for some business uses. That is why you didn't see me post regularly as often as how I used to. So I'm back for now. I'm here to produce more videos for you guys, more market insight videos as you guys love it. And I'm just gonna break down Aussie dollar, silver, and what is that other pair? Sorry, USDCAD. I did send this breakdowns into my free Telegram group, guys. So I'm just gonna break it down, and I'm just gonna give you guys a more understanding of how you guys can use the breakdowns that I send into the free Telegram group, guys. I'm here to serve all of you guys for free. I don't ask you anything, but I just ask you to share and help grow this channel, guys. That is what I only want from you guys. I'm giving this stuff for free for you guys. This is my knowledge that I pay a lot of money for, that I'm just giving it for all of you guys for free, right? I just giving it all for free. I don't need to do this, guys. I can just trade. I don't need to do a channel, but I decided that I want to give for free. I want to give, I just want to give my art out for free, because trading for me, the chart is like painting, guys. It's like being it's like being an artist painting the gallery, right? That is how I see trading, as a game of probabilities as well, but it's most likely for me as an artist to paint the picture forward. So that is how I see trading, guys. That is why you always will see I always try to predict it to the next keyword price. And as you guys can see on this on my free Telegram group, it is so accurate, guys, and it sometimes amazes me as well. It's just showing me that how transparent and how great I become as a trader, guys. So I'm really so excited about my journey, and I'm excited for your journeys as well, guys. So that is why I want to build this relationship with all of you guys who are in this group. I want you guys to let's just make it clean, guys. Let's just start it from the start. If you guys really want to sacrifice, if you guys really want it bad enough, you guys will really put in the work and try to understand the stuff, really, right? Because right, this is basically the only free group where you can basically get free stuff like market breakdowns, right? So enough of that, guys. So hit that like button, hit that share button, share that free group link. If you don't in this group and you watch this video, please go check out the free link is in the description, and make sure that you join the Newton FX Academy free Telegram group now. So let's start off here with Aussie dollar. So guys, what we can see here on our Aussie dollar weekly time frame is that we know overall bullish market condition. We have this low point, right? So you guys can see we have this low point, and then we have this weekly high structure point into the market. So what we can also notice is that we do have this bull run here to the upside. Let me just fix this crusher so you guys can understand what I mean. We have this bull run here to the upside, right? And there you guys can see that price was basically in this consolidation phase, right? We can mark this low point right here, because right, this is basically our consolidation phase. As you guys can see how price was just consolidating and there break to the downside, right? So now you guys can see that what price basically trying to do now, right? As you guys can see, this is a high point as well, this is a low point. So as you guys can see, price is basically starting to come in a corrective form to the upside, right? But still, we are basically still bullish, guys. As long as we're trading above this reason, we're still bullish on our weekly time frame. This is only a corrective phase, and as you guys can see, the bigger picture right here is this is only one phase, right? This is only one phase for us to Okay, I'm not gonna do that now, but as you guys can see that this is only one phase for us, right? And if we run a Fibonacci, it will probably be like 764 from this low point to this high structure point in the market. As you guys can see that our 764 was respected with this bullish engulfing candle. Price did create this new high structure point in the market. There you guys can see price come for the corrective, and there you can see we have two in the season candles with a bear bullish engulfing candle. There we break structure, uh there we break structure, new higher highs, and then we create this new higher high into the market. So now you guys can already paint the picture further. We most likely will come in to create this new higher low. You correct. Give yourself applause. So let's scale into our daily time frame, guys. So what you can see in our daily time frame is that we have this low structure point here, and as long as price basically trading above this region, right? Yeah, we still gonna remain bullish, guys. So that is why this is gonna be an area of interest, this region. So as you guys could look on your free breakdown, I did mark this area. Reason for that is, right, this is my low structure point and that is my high structure point. So if price retrace back into this region here at 618 and show me some form of a double bottom or my entry criteria, I will most likely take a trade to the upside, guys. That is how I'm basically trading. You guys must wait for proper confirmation before you execute on any trade setup I send out for you guys. So wait for proper confirmation, wait for candle confirmation, wait for a double bottom, and then you can execute on this trade, guys. So that is basically how I can see this market, guys. On a weekly be bullish, on our daily be bullish. I can see that we did create this new high structure point. I can see that we are in a corrective form on my bigger time frames. We did break this previous lower high structure point, and now we can see that we did create this new high structure point, and there we have a new higher low. So price will most likely come down into this area and then create this new higher low point and then continue to the upside. So this is basically what I was seeing, guys. That is why I was sending you out. That is why I was sending this breakdown for you guys in the channel. So let's jump into silver. For those who trade silver, you can just apply this skill with any pair, guys. So what you can see is that price is basically trading bullish, right? We have this low structure point and we have this high structure point here on our weekly time frame. So if we mark this low point and we mark this high structure point right here, we can see that we basically trading in between these two reasons, right? We trade in between these two reasons. We can see this bullish impulsive move to the upside. So we can mark some form of support here on our weekly time frame. We can see that we have the support area. We can see also on our weekly time frame that price did form this double bottom. Price showing us some form of a lack of intent to continue to the upside. You can see this corrective move. Price did break the structure lows, give me this leg to the downside, as you guys can see, right? So let's scale into our daily time frame. So what I can see on my daily time frame is that we're still basically in a bearish run, right? Because my price did create lower lows, right? Lower lows and lower highs, corrective phase, right? There's our lower high point, and then we have this low, right? So as you guys can see how price was basically coming to the upside, right? So we must basically break out of this previous lower high point to break structure to the upside. So what I can see, right, this impulse move to the downside, right, and this impulse move to the upside is basically the same. It basically shows me some form of intent against intent. So what price most likely love to do is price love to come down into this lows, right? Most of the time price love to come down into this low structure points right here and then continue to the upside and break this structure points right here. As you guys can see, price did give us this impulsive move, come for this correction. You can see price is in a corrective phase, and then price will most likely continue to the upside and create this new high structure point. But let's just break it more down if we scale into a 4-hour time frame right now. So what you guys can see here on a 4-hour time frame is that, yep, price is basically in this corrective phase, right? You can basically use a trend line from this high structure point to this low point. We see we do have a trend break as well, so we can mark this low point right here, right? This is the same as the previous example. Price love to come to previous lows, guys. Most likely once we're waiting for retracements, right? It's not necessary price must come to this area, but this area is going to be important. So that is why I was saying, okay, once I saw price is basically consolidating, right? Price is basically ranging there, so that gives me the sign to scale down to my smaller time frames and wait for price to giving me some form of a corrective move, right? You see, I always come to the same conclusion over and over, guys. As you guys can see, price is basically forming this. So if you see some form of a double bottom or your entry criteria, guys, you guys could have entered right there and then take this position to the upside. So this is basically the simple breakdown that I can see here on silver, guys. And if you guys don't get it by now, just watch this video over and over and over and over and over. Repetition is the mother of skill, guys. Believe me when I say that. Repetition is the mother of skill. Keep watching this video, you guys will get it, right? You think I was just getting this by overnight? Hell no, guys. Oh, hell no. So let's jump in here at USDCAD here on my weekly time frame. So what I can see on my USDCAD, guys, you guys can see it, my dog can see it. We in the overall bearish market condition, right? Don't get fooled, guys. Always look at the bigger picture. We overall bearish, right? We can see this is our weekly highs, and this is our weekly low point right here, right? So what you guys can see that we did create this corrective phase to the upside, right? We did break structure lows right here, and then we did create this new lower low structure point here into the market, right? So if we scale into our daily time frame right now, guys, we can see that, okay, we do have this bearish run, and we did break some market structure to the downside. This is our high point, and there is our low structure point, and this is also area of interest where price will most likely come run into, because why? You can see we have a lot of price action on this reason right here. So this is most likely where I will look for some selling pressure, guys. This is still on my daily time frame, right? So I love to break down my videos from my weekly to my daily to my 4 hour to my 1 hour 30 minutes if I'm looking for a super scalp in 15 minutes, guys. So this is basically what you guys can see. We do have this ascending corrective. We have this impulsive move to the downside. If we run a Fibonacci from this high structure point to this low structure point right now, is that I will wait for price to show me some form of entry criteria, guys, to take a trade. It's not like I will show in my examples just sell from this point. It's just gonna happen from this point. No, guys, that it doesn't work that way, right? That is only my probability is how I'm predicting it here. But the market can come. What is that? But the market can come at least to year 764 and then decide to reverse, guys. But my idea was still the same, but the market decided to go up a bit further, but my idea was still the same. You understand what I mean, guys? It's not like I'm saying price is gonna fall down. No, if price decide to run up here, guys, and price reverse, I know my idea is correct. The reason because I was intending to sell, right? You understand? That's just showing me as the analyst that my idea is correct. It's not like I'm wrong. No, I was just have to wait. You just have to wait for proper confluence. You cannot just sell on this point once you saw, okay, you told me that price is gonna go down from this point. Bro, hold up now. Hold up now. We are artists right here, man. So you must take your time. You must wait for patience, right? You must wait for price to showing you direction before you execute, guys. Don't just enter because I saw my market insights on the free group. Wait for proper confluence before you guys execute on any trade, guys. So that is basically it on this pair as well, guys. I cannot basically tell you anything further because, right, Yeah, I'm working on a course that I'm gonna uh, put out next year. So be aware and be patient for that course, guys. But this is basically the free stuff that I'm giving you guys, so you guys can learn. Because right, this is valuable, guys. This is valuable. This is stuff that will help you grow as a trader, right? This is stuff that will help you. This is stuff that will build you up if you really want it bad enough, guys. Right? Your guys is too focused on the money, right? That is basically most traders' problem, right? Once you get started out. Remember, guys, this game is all about money. So how can you be stressed and worry about the money, right? If you can master this graph, if you can paint your picture, right? This is the thing that you're gonna have forever. You're gonna have this forever, guys. Remember that. You're gonna have this forever. You're gonna have this skill forever. So focus on developing the skill first before you're trying to get the money, right? The money is here. The money is in this market every single day. So why are you worrying about the money? Focus on mastering the skill first, guys. So that is it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share the free group and bring more people into the community. And remember, only serious future millionaire traders. Peace out, guys. Hashtag forever rich.